How to turn off antivirus on Windows 11 permanently. So to permanently disable Windows Defender on Windows 11, you have to follow certain steps here. The method one is using Windows security settings here. Open Windows security, press on the start button, and here you have to search for Windows security. Now here it will come up. Now here you have to access on the left side virus and threat protection. Right, now once you go and click on here, go and click on manage settings. Right now here, virus and threat protection, everything, all this information is available. So here we have to go and click on manage settings here. Now turn off real-time protection. So if I just turn this off, you can see here it will ask me other permission. And right now it has got turned off, and you can see there will be a cross mark in the Windows Defender. Right, now it has got turned off. Now the second method is disable temper protection. Now if you scroll a little bit down, you will at the bottom you will find this option of disable temper protection. You can just turn this off. Right now, these are the ways which you can do this and restart your computer. This change will take effect after you restart your system. Now, thanks for watching this video and subscribe.